Is it time to buy or sell SPDR Gold Shares ETF? In this video, we are delving into SPDR Gold Shares. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 17th of April, 2025. And now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and activate the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You wouldn't want to miss any critical updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the potential of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies around the globe today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 8th of April, 2025, our system has ranked SPDR Gold Shares as a buy candidate, giving it a score of 1.72. Now, let's examine the ETF's performance during this time. Those who followed our analysis would have experienced an impressive gain of 11.23% since we first identified SPDR Gold Shares as a buy candidate just 8 days ago. This results in an average return of 1.4% per day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The exchange-traded fund is situated within the upper segment of a broad and robust upward trend in the short term. This scenario typically presents an excellent selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a pullback towards the lower section of the trend is anticipated. A breakout above the upper trend line at $308.12 would initially signal a stronger rate of increase. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 14.69% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging between 4.5% and 15.45%. In terms of a longer perspective, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of 29.92%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from 11.04% to 30.62% over the coming year. In practical terms, this would set the future price somewhere between $339.89 and $399.84. Our latest daily update for SPDR Gold Shares features the headline, SPDR Gold Shares ETF upgraded from hold accumulate to buy candidate after Thursday trading session. The SPDR Gold Shares ETF price decreased by approximately 0.446% on the last day, Thursday, the 17th of April, 2025, falling from $307.47 to $306.10. During that trading day, the ETF experienced fluctuations of 1.45%, with a low of $302.74 and a high of $307.13. The price has increased in 6 of the last 10 days and has risen by 6.87% over the past 2 weeks. Interestingly, the trading volume decreased on the last day alongside the ETF price, which is generally considered a positive indicator, as volume should ideally follow the ETF. On the last day, trading volume declined by 2 million shares, with a total of 18 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $5.45 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF reached $308.05, while the lowest price was $210.71. Currently, the price stands at 0.63%, or $1.94, below the 52-week high of $308.05, which also marks the all-time high for the ETF. Gold remains a focal point for investors as it trades near $3,324 per ounce. However, there is growing caution among both Wall Street experts and Main Street investors, with the price hovering above $3,300. Despite some signs of being overbought, gold is well supported, particularly as the United States dollar weakens. Recent profit-taking has also placed pressure on gold prices, with uncertainty surrounding tariff policy contributing to investor hesitance. With conditions favoring cautious optimism, experts suggest that it may be prudent for some investors to wait for a more favorable entry point. The current volatility in the bond market adds to this caution, as rising treasury yields can further influence gold prices, while the buy-and-hold strategy for exchange-traded funds, including gold-related assets, can be effective for long-term wealth accumulation. The immediate outlook necessitates a careful approach. In the short term, these dynamics could lead to fluctuations in the stock price of GLD as sentiment shifts. However, In the long run, if gold maintains its status as a safe haven amid economic uncertainties, GLD may benefit from sustained demand, especially if the dollar remains weak. Investors should remain observant, as strategic allocation now could significantly shape their portfolios in the evolving market landscape. Analysts have assigned a general buy rating to the SPDR Gold Shares ETF. They consider the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong buy, and the price-to-book ratio also as a strong buy. Regarding the return on investment, the analysts have rated the ETF as neutral. The following signals have been identified for SPDR Gold Shares. The SPDR Gold Shares exchange-traded fund holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook for the fund. Additionally, there is a general buy signal based on the relationship between these two signals, as the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. In the event of a downward correction, support is expected at $297.61 and $280.58. A drop below either of these levels will generate sell signals. Furthermore, a buy signal is present from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. However, some negative signals have also been issued, which may impact the near-term development. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Wednesday, April 16, 2025, and so far, it has declined by 0.446%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Volume decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which mitigates overall risk, as volume typically aligns with price movements. Here are some additional signals you may find intriguing. Moving Average Convergence Divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots have shown a sell signal 2 days ago. Bollinger indicates a buy signal from 1 day ago. The short-term moving average has given a buy signal 8 days ago. Meanwhile, the long-term moving average has indicated a sell signal 10 days ago. Observing the 12-month chart reveals the short moving average provided a buy signal 8 days ago. On the other hand, the long-term moving average signaled a sell action 76 days ago. For more insights and signals, please visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for SPDR Gold Shares. SPDR Gold Shares finds support from accumulated volume at $297.93. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is expected when this support is tested. This exchange-traded fund has average daily movements and, with good trading volume, the associated risk is considered to be medium. Over the last day, the ETF moved $4.39 between its high and low, reflecting a change of 1.45%. In the past week, the ETF has experienced an average daily volatility of 1%. Before we dive into the potential favorable trading levels for SPDR Gold Shares, let's quickly review some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A notably high PE ratio indicates that the exchange-traded fund may be overvalued. However, it is not unusual for technology companies or those with significant market potential to exhibit such elevated ratios. Now, let's discuss some potential day trading levels for SPDR Gold Shares. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for SPDR Gold Shares is at 307.47. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the ETF, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, SPDR Gold Shares encounters its first support level at 297.93. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $294.50, representing a decline of 3.79%. This exchange-traded fund experiences moderate daily fluctuations, indicating a medium level of risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal generated from a pivot top identified 1 day ago. Is SPDR Gold Shares ETF a good buy? Several short-term signals combined with a generally positive trend indicate that the current level may present a buying opportunity. There is a fair chance for SPDR Gold Shares ETF to perform well in the short term. We have upgraded our analysis conclusion for this ETF since the last evaluation, moving from a hold or accumulate to a buy candidate. After assessing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Monday, the 21st of April, we expect SPDR Gold Shares to open lower by approximately 77 cents and begin trading at $305.32. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the exchange-traded fund. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day, with warm regards from all of us here at StockInvest.